Suspension bushings are one of those components that we don't really pay any attention to until they start to fail, or perhaps even fail completely. The suspension bush's role is to essentially isolate the four-wheel drive's occupants from high-frequency vibrations that would otherwise drive you to distraction, as well as destroy your vehicle over a very short period of time. While almost all of your factory suspension bushings are produced from soft, cheap rubber, in some specific applications, rubber isn't necessarily the optimum material for the job. Quite often, a tougher, longer-lasting material, such as these polyurethane TJM bushes, are a much better choice. Let's take a look at where a quality rubber bush is ideal, and those applications where urethane is a better choice. While a quality urethane bush has its place in many components in your four-wheel drive, the one place where rubber is a better choice is in your shock absorbers. A shock absorber is where a lot of the initial harshness from the road and track is taken care of. And a quality rubber bush like the TJM XGS range of rubber bushes are ideal for soaking up the vibrations and keeping you and your vehicle settled and happy. XGS rubber bushes are designed and built to provide the ultimate in isolating vibration as well as a long service life. When you need the ultimate in vibration isolation that will withstand heavy loads and serious punishment, you need an XGS urethane bushing. TJM's XGS urethane bushes are the perfect choice for leaf-sprung vehicles, as their robust construction ensures that components are properly located, which translate into a safer, more predictable handling four-wheel drive with excellent steering and responsiveness. Thanks to the super tough XGS urethane blend, your TJM urethane bushes will also last a long time between replacements. One of the most common reasons for upgrading your four-wheel drive's bushes to TJM XGS bushes is usually due to the addition of accessories that will ultimately affect the way your vehicle handles, stops and performs both on and off-road. A quality set of bushings can transform a vehicle from being unresponsive to steering input and susceptible to harshness and vibration to a quiet, comfortable and much safer four-wheel drive.